Here's how to set up a domain on GoDaddy step by step. First, go to GoDaddy.com and log into your account. From the top menu, click My Products, then scroll down to find your domain name. Next to the domain, click DNS to open the DNS management page. If you're connecting the domain to a website builder like Wix, Shopify, or Squarespace, look for the Name Servers section. Click Change, then choose Custom and enter the name servers provided by your website platform. For WordPress hosting or GoDaddy hosting, you might instead update the error code to point to your server's IP address. Scroll to the records section and edit the A record by replacing the IP under points to with your web host's IP. Click Save to apply the changes. Domain updates may take a few minutes to several hours to fully propagate. Once done, your domain will start pointing to your website. And that's how to set up a domain on GoDaddy. Quick, easy, and ready for launch. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.